Thanks for clicking on the video. I appreciate you watching. I just came on really quick to ask, and also ask of you to check my community tab, because I asked how can I blend my guilty pleasures with this, and I could do recaps. So far it's recaps. That's the most votes I got. Reality TV. If you would like to listen to something else, my thought process or whatever it is of me talking, go ahead and either leave a comment or just simply vote. You can leave a comment on this video, let me know what you watch. If you don't want to go to the community tab and mess up your flow, I don't know. But my favorite shows to watch are Married to Medicine, and it used to be Housewives of Potomac, but after watching them back to back, I realized how toxic it is. It drives me crazy. But like I said, Married to Medicine, hands down my favorite. But I also really love After Lockup, 90 Day Fiance, Love is Blind, all those trashy stuff where I'd be like, I'll never get on that. Anything but Zeus, okay? I'm not paying for Zeus. I'm not watching Zeus. Not doing it. But, stuff like that. If you want to watch, or if you do watch and you want to have somebody to chit chat about it, I'm your girl. So just leave a comment if you have an opinion. If you don't, you can just ignore it, like you ignore me like you normally do. I'm joking. But I'm asking opinions and for y'all to put y'all input. Do you want it like 3 episodes in a group, or my season breakdown of each character? Those are the 2 ways that I'm interested in doing it. Breaking down episodes in groups of 3, or breaking down each character by season, by episode. Couple quick sentences for each character per episode in a seasonal format. Let me know, because I genuinely don't have I have people I like the most, but I have no favorites. I'm not fans of anyone, but there are certain ones who will guarantee to make me laugh whether you like them or not. And I seem to not love fan favorites. But let me know. Again, back to this music. Sorry for interrupting. Get into these beautiful nails. 500 coming up, and I'm doing a giveaway. The giveaway is 5 sets of press-ons. Y'all stay tuned to see how you can enter, but it'll be 5 people with 5 press-ons. So be on the lookout. Within this next week, I'll release the rules. These might be one of the press-ons. I don't know.
shit, no.